It's all good.
Besides with Big Brother watching right there. Is there a mic in there too?
I don't know. I think there might be. So don't stand too close to me till it's gone.
Yep.
Just in case.
Has it ever happened?
Yep.
Normal mode. In case it ignites.
Yeah, I have a safety. That's what this is.
Bind plug.
Yep. Just completes the circuit. All a bind is a jumper anyway. It's just a jumper.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
Take a video of it?
You can. Are you ready? I'm going to do it right in front of us this time.
Let me get it ready. Alright, I'm ready. Ready?
Yeah, I'm going to do it right in front of us.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That gave it added horsepower.
It's a little bump.
No, it launched it like a nitrous blast.
I'm just used to it, I guess. I don't know.
No, it did. You can see it actually.
It jumps forward.
Oh yeah, it propelled the plane.
You can see the sparks and everything. That was cool.
Yeah.
Did you ever launch rockets when you were little?
Yeah, I did.
Well, we all did.
A couple of them.
Estes rockets.
I had those little small. I had a little small one that used an A, a couple that used a C, a couple that used a D.
You landing already?
Yeah, I'm done. I never fly alone.
Just drains the battery just like that?
No.
I think they have one of those that goes really fast.
This one will, if